Sophie, Papa Kim. Complaining, reporting.
What you reporting? What Mama not give you?
What you reporting, Sophie?
Mama not give you food?
What you report to Papa? Oh, Casper also reporting. What happened, Casper? What you want to report to Papa also, huh? Oh, this too much report. Why you report to me? Only Papa came. Go report to Papa, Daddy. Yeah.
What's happening? Sophie?
Reporting to Papa. Just Papa came, just everyone reporting. Uday, everyone wake up. Is she reporting? She was sleeping beside me. Yeah. Lola, sige ka, Casper. Laparuhon ka niya.